This national solution allows to clean floor tiles and tiles without much effort. Cleaning the tiles in our bathroom is usually one of the most annoying and unpleasant tasks to do, and not only because of the uncomfortable and exhausting that this may be, but because of the amount of chemicals we use in the process. These are capable of damaging our body in an irremediable and harmful way. Many people even resort to using masks to cover their mouth and nose due to the toxic fumes from cleaning products. National solution to clean the tiles definitively. To prepare this effective national solution to clean the tiles of your bathroom or kitchen, you will need only 3 ingredients. Ingredients: media cup of baking soda, a spoonful of liquid organic soap, a quarter of the contents of a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Preparation: mix the 3 ingredients in a bottle with a secure lid until the mixture is well diluted. These fabulous easy-to-get ingredients will make your tile stains and fungi disappear as if by magic. In addition, the surface will look much smoother and brighter. Tips: if the tiles are very dirty, it is advisable to apply the mixture on them and let it act for about 10 or 15 minutes before removing it with water. If the tiles contain the normal dirt and current, cleaning them with a sponge impregnated in this mixture will be the most indicated. Then rinse the tiles with water. After applying the mixture, the tiles should be rinsed with water. If these are too damaged, you can apply the procedure twice. Small trick to keep the tiles clean for longer. If you are one of those who hate scrubbing the tiles every day after each bath, here we will teach you a very practical and simple way, so that you can get rid of this tedious and boring task. Mix in a spray bottle a little water with vinegar and then each bath, spray the tiles with this preparation. Nor is it necessary to do this procedure daily. With 2 or 3 days a week, the difference will be very noticeable. This video is for information only. At Power Health we have no power to prescribe any medical treatment or make any kind of diagnosis. We invite you to go to a doctor in the case of presenting any type of condition or discomfort. We hope you enjoyed this video and do not forget to share it with your friends and family. Thanks, and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in videos of this type.